In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make this amazing moisturizing clove leave-in conditioner you can use for hair growth and to also stop hair breakage. Guys, this clove leave-in conditioner also helps to grow your edges, helps with baldness, helps with thickening, and I'm also going to do a giveaway. If you find this video helpful, please keep on watching because it's going to be very interesting. This leave-in conditioner is something that you can also sell. I have other products to formulate with you guys, such as herbal infused moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I would also love to share that as well, but first of all I want to find out from you guys if you want to see the video. So if you want to see it, just comment herbal infused moisturizing leave-in conditioner in the comment section below. So let's get to the point of this video. The first and most important ingredient we are going to be needing is clove. We are going to be using much of it. Then this is fenugreek, a little bit of fenugreek, a little bit of black seed powder, a little bit of chebe powder, and a little bit of moringa powder. You can go ahead and use only clove. I just want to be a little bit extra by adding those other powders because they have their own benefits. This is fresh aloe vera. If you don't have fresh aloe vera, make use of the store-bought aloe vera. Then you'll be needing chebe, you'll be needing shea butter. Sorry, this is shea butter. You'll be needing this as well to help with the moisturizing and the creamy effect. The use of using aloe vera is to draw in moisture. This is rosemary essential oil, vitamin E essential oil, sweet almond essential oil, and lavender essential oil, and other essential oils such as avocado essential oil. I'll remove all these other ones from the pack. I just got them newly because I was out of them. This is the avocado essential oil. Next up is argan essential oil, followed by clove essential oil. Then we have the fenugreek essential oil, followed by the black seed oil. This black seed oil comes in small and in big sizes. I think this is the small size. You can get hold of it in the bigger size. That one is much better and it will last for you. It's just the quantity that is the difference. It's not like there's any special effect. Next up is moringa oil. If you want to learn how to make this, the link will be in the description box below. It's a recent video I uploaded. I made this by myself and I'm going to use it to make this clove leave-in conditioner. Then we have the coconut oil, we have the castor oil, we also have the extra virgin olive oil. If you have the one that comes in that Goya container, make use of it please. It's just that this one has more effect. Then this is acetyl alcohol. This is acetyl alcohol. This is acetyl alcohol that will help us to that helps to bind the water and the oil together and also serves as a thickener. This one right here is emulsifying wax. This emulsifying wax helps to condition the hair, soften the hair. You have to be careful when purchasing this because the difference between emulsifying wax and the acetyl alcohol is the size. They are not the same thing. This is the thickener. Then I have the scents that I'm going to be using. These are two different scents I want to combine. Then I also have the preservative. Preservative is very important since we are going to be using water and aloe vera. Then I have my measuring cups. If you have a beaker and a measuring scale, please make use of it. I don't have any of those ones, so I'm going to purchase it in the future. Then these are the bowls I'm going to be using. I ended up using a lot of bowls. It's not just this bowl that I used. Then I have the hand whisker that I'm also going to use to blend all this mixture together into a creamy form. Alright, so I'll go ahead to grind this clove into powder form. Please make use of your blender if you have it. I had to use mortar and pestle to grind if I'm to make it to very smooth, it will take whole day. So I just crushed it as little as I could. Next up is to measure 1/3 cup of the clove powder and pour it into that green bowl. That is a bowl we are going to be mixing all our powders and all the oil based products. Guys, I'm deeply sorry I lost the footage of me measuring the remaining powders, but the measurement I use is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, black seed powder, moringa powder and chebe powder. So after mixing all the powders together, making sure you have mixed them together in this bowl, the next thing to do is to add in your oils and butter. So we're going to measure 1/3 cup of the olive oil, the coconut oil and the castor oil. Next up is to measure 1 tablespoon of the black seed oil. After that, I'm going to measure 1/3 cup of the moringa oil. So after adding in the powders and the oils, I'll go ahead to turn the mixture properly before adding in any other ingredient. I'll go ahead to pour my shea butter inside the oil. You can measure this. I forgot to measure it totally. I just used my head and I boiled it. So you can measure 2 cups of shea butter. Just after breaking in your shea butter, use your measuring cup to measure 2 cups of shea butter and put it in there. Or you can even melt the shea butter first of all, then measure 2 cups and pour it inside this mixture. The next thing to measure is the emulsifying wax. You will go ahead and measure 1/4 cup of the emulsifying wax, that is 60 ml, and pour inside the mixture. This emulsifying wax helps to condition your hair and soften your hair. It also helps to manage the room temperature of your product. After that, we'll go ahead to measure the cetyl alcohol. This cetyl alcohol helps to thicken the hair, also helps to combine the water and the oil together. As we all know, water and oil can't stay in together, so it helps with the combination, and we may need a lot of this one. So we are going to measure 1/3 cup of it, that is 85 ml, and pour into this mixture, and it also serves as a thickener. Please, if you have glycerin, add it into this mixture. It draws moisture into the product and into your hair, so it's very important. I was completely out of glycerin, and the person that usually sells it to me was not available. So after mixing everything thoroughly, I'm going to set my water to boil, because we'll be using the double boiler method to melt this mixture. The emulsifying wax and the cetyl alcohol takes time to melt, so please don't put a lot of pressure on yourself thinking that it will melt easily like the shea butter, and making sure that the powders and the other oils combine properly. Just be stirring it gradually. It will definitely melt, but just don't rush it, because the emulsifying wax and the cetyl alcohol takes time to melt with the other ingredients. While the oil-based products and the powders are melting, we are going to go ahead to strain out the aloe vera juice from this fresh aloe vera. Like I mentioned before, you can use the store-bought aloe vera juice if you can't get hold of the fresh aloe vera. It's just that this fresh aloe vera is 100% natural. The store-bought aloe vera is not 100% natural, you see. So I prefer to use this one to do all of my mixtures. So right here I'm whisking it because I want it to be in a liquid, like in a more liquidy form, because I will have to strain it out and pour it into the mixture, into the leave-in conditioner. So if you have a blender, please make use of the blender, then you strain out the juice properly. When I'm done straining out the aloe vera juice, I'll go ahead and measure 1 cup of it and pour it into a separate bowl and keep it aside. 1 cup, that is 250 ml. So I came back to check the butter and the oils if they have melted properly. Like I told you guys in the beginning, the emulsifying wax and the cetyl alcohol takes time to melt, so please don't rush the whole process. It takes time to melt, and don't use direct heat to melt this. The emulsifying wax doesn't melt on its own. You have to combine it with other oils or butter to melt it. So as you can see, we still have to put it back to the pot so that it will keep on melting. What I'm looking for is a smooth consistency, so that the only thing I'll be straining out will be the powders alone. So I will now go ahead to measure 1 cup of water. I want to boil 1 cup of water that I'll keep aside, because we also need water for this formulation. So as you can see, I'm checking it out again to see if it has fully melted and the emulsifying wax and the cetyl alcohol has also melted properly. Then I'll bring it out and strain out the mixture using this strainer. But this strainer didn't catch all the powder, so I'm going to use a cloth that has more tiny holes so that I can catch all the powders. We don't need the powders. We will keep the powder aside for a hair mask. I'm going to use it for my Ayurvedic hair mask that I'll apply on my hair when I'm ready to wash my hair. So here is it. I'm squeezing it, making sure that everything is well squeezed. Then I will just use only the mixture of the oils and the butter and the emulsifying wax, and that is it. Mind you, this mixture was still kinda hot, but not so hot that I couldn't handle. Remember that we are mixing oil and water together, so we have to mix it at the same room temperature. We can't mix oil when it's hot and water when it's cold, or oil when it's cold and water when it's hot. So you can allow this mixture to cool down before you will strain it out the way I'm doing it. But after straining it out, you have to put it back into the pot and reboil it again using the double boiler method. It all depends on what you want. When I was done straining out the oil, I kept it aside and quickly measured 1 cup of water and poured it into that small bowl you are seeing right there. I don't want the oil and the water I boiled before. Remember, there's a cup of water I boiled before. I didn't want it to get cold. So now I'm mixing 1 tablespoon of thickener inside this little bowl, because we are going to use it to make our product. So immediately I'm whisking this oil. As you can see, as I'm whisking it, I'm going to pour in the hot water at the same time. It has to be done at the same time. As I'm whisking the oil, I'm pouring in the hot water. Remember, the hot water and the oil has to be the same room temperature. One cannot be cold and the other one will be hot. No, it doesn't work that way. Then I will now keep on whisking for about 10 minutes, so that to make sure it has properly, the oil and the water has properly mixed thoroughly. While whisking, the conditioner is also cooling down, so I'm now going to check the thickener to make sure it's thickened enough. The quantity of thickener depends on the quantity of product you are making. So I'm adding in the aloe vera juice that I strained out before. That aloe vera that I strained out and kept aside, yes, that is what I'm adding into this conditioner right now. As you can see, it's even still running, but it's getting cool. It's no longer hot. Then I'll go ahead and add in the thickener into the conditioner. The quantity of aloe vera and thickener, like I mentioned before, depends on the quantity of leave-in conditioner you are making. Aloe vera helps to draw in moisture and to soften the hair, and also condition your hair. So as you can see, the bowl I was using before was small, so I have to transfer it into this bigger bowl, and you can see that the conditioner has started getting thick. So I'm now going to add in the essential oils into the conditioner. The reason why I didn't add it the first time in while I was mixing the oils is because they are essential oils. You don't have to add them at the beginning of the process. It's something you're supposed to add at the ending, towards the ending, so that they'll still remain very fresh, and they also have their own scents too. Then I'm now going to mix it very well again. After mixing it, I'll add in the scents that I have. The scent I have here is banana and lavender. Sometimes I also mix in strawberry. everything you're mixing, the scent you're mixing, all depends on how you want your product to smell. So after adding in the scents, I'm going to add in my preservative. The essence of using preservative, because we use water and aloe vera to make this product. In fact, even though you don't put water, aloe vera alone is a form of water. Do you understand? So you must use a form of preservative to preserve your product. If not, it will get spoiled. So you can see that our conditioner is ready. So I'm now going to transfer it into my containers. I already washed my containers. I'll transfer it to these containers. Guys, please keep on watching, because I'll tell you people the point where I will announce the giveaway process. I'm going to be giving away these products, three of these products, to three different people. All you just have to do is to comment the reason why I should give you this product, and if your reason is genuine enough, if I find it genuine enough, that is it. After commenting why I should give you this product, then you go ahead and share this video to people that you feel like that may need it. Follow me on Instagram, and that is it. Just three things. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you want to win this giveaway, then you will not win it. So you subscribe, you leave your genuine comment there, then you share the video to friends and follow me on Instagram. That is it. I'll leave the rules in the comment section below if you still don't understand. So you can see I took down some portion of my hair, and I'm also trying to show you guys that this conditioner is really conditioning. Do you understand? It's really conditioning. I just applied it on my hair, like it will soften your hair instantly. This is not just shea. Some people be like, it's shea butter. No, we just made a product, and you are going to see that my hair did not break at all after combing this hair. It didn't break. I'm going to show you guys through the comb. You can see it, right? It didn't break. So after applying this conditioner on your hair, you start from the tip of your hair and start combing, making sure you are using a wide tooth comb. Comb your hair very well. Then I'll show you guys another way you can use it, by sprinkling warm water. If you have enough time, sprinkle warm water on your hair, then you now apply the product on it and you comb it, the same method of combing. But if you don't have enough time, you can just go ahead and use the product and it will yield the same result, because the product contains water and aloe vera. Then this product, you can also use it to grow your edges. So guys, this giveaway is my first giveaway. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys in my next post.